So welcome to this body scan meditation. The body scan can be practiced lying, sitting or standing. But today we're going to practice a short sitting body scan meditation. So to begin, settling in the chair in a place that's comfortable, where you'll be warm and where you won't be disturbed for the next 15 minutes or so. So bringing the attention down to the feet and moving the attention to the toes, and we're taking both feet together now. So what are the sensations that you notice in the toes of your feet? Maybe there's a sense of sock, a sense of temperature. If you're wearing sandals, perhaps you get a sense of the contact of the air with your toes. So whatever it is that you notice, just opening up the awareness and then moving from the toes to the sole of the feet and noticing what's there. Perhaps those areas of gravity at the ball of the foot and the heel. And then letting the sole of the feet go and bringing the attention to the heel and noticing what's there. And then letting the heel go and moving to the sides of the feet and the top of the foot. And then widening out the awareness to just take in the sensations in your feet. So all the sensations in the feet and noticing what's there. With the eyes closed and without looking at the feet, how do we know we have feet? What sensations tell us that we have feet? So letting the feet go now and bringing the attention to the lower leg. And so working from the ankles right up to the knee and just noticing what's there. Perhaps the surface sensations of clothing making contact with skin, noticing temperature, or maybe noticing sensations coming from deeper inside the body. Sensations from the muscles, perhaps. So letting this area of the body go now and bringing the awareness to the upper leg. So from the knee to the top of the leg. And again, just noticing what's there. Surface sensations, deeper sensations coming from inside the body, temperature, whatever is coming up for you. So you may also have noticed that the mind has wandered, and that's absolutely fine. That's what the mind is going to do. And when we notice that our mind has wandered, we just briefly notice where the thoughts are going, and then we choose to gently guide the attention back to whatever it is we were concentrating on. And guiding the mind back with a sense of kindness for ourselves without giving ourselves a hard time, but acceptance for the wandering mind. So letting the upper leg go now and bringing the attention to the pelvic base. So this is the area of the hips and the buttocks and the organs that are housed within this area of the body. So just noticing what's there. Clothing, temperature, or again, getting a sense from deeper inside the body. Really beginning to sense the body from the inside out. Or maybe not. Maybe you're not picking up on any of those sensations. And ultimately, I'm just giving you suggestions and guidance on what kinds of sensations might be present. But ultimately, it's whatever it is that you're aware of, whatever it is that you notice. That's the most important experience. And if you're not noticing a particular sensation, that's fine. The awareness is on the absence of the sensation. So it's whatever your experience is. So letting the pelvic base go now and bringing the attention to the front of the body or the upper torso. So we're taking in the stomach and the chest. And we're just noticing what's here in this part of the body. Perhaps surface sensations or deeper sensations coming from inside the body. Awareness of the movement of the breath, perhaps. Or maybe sensations of digestion. Or maybe noticing the beat of your heart. Or perhaps noticing that none of those sensations are there. Whatever you notice, whatever the awareness is for you. So letting this part of the body go now, I'm bringing the attention to the shoulders and just noticing what's there in the shoulders. Surface sensations, deeper sensations of muscle, whatever's there. And then moving down the back of the body, following the spine down, the upper back, the middle back, the base of the spine. And noticing what's there. Again, surface sensations, temperature, or sensations coming from inside the body. Perhaps noticing the movement of the breath in your back. Or noticing muscles. Perhaps sensations of tiredness, or ache or pain. Just opening up the awareness to whatever is there. And we're not looking for any particular kind of experience. We're not pushing any experience away. We are just simply observing what is there to be noted in this moment. So letting this area of the body go now and bringing the attention back up to the shoulders. And this time we're going to bring our awareness down both arms at the same time. So bringing the awareness down the upper arm all the way down to the elbow. Then bringing the awareness from the elbow down to the wrist. And then on down to the hands. Noticing the back of the hands, the palm of the hands. Getting a sense of the fingers and the thumb and the tips of the fingers and tongue. And noticing what's here. Surface sensations, deeper sensations coming from inside the body. Perhaps noticing the contact of a watch or a bracelet with your wrist. Perhaps noticing the weight of your hands as they're resting on your lap. whatever is coming up for you. And then letting this part of the body go now, and bringing the attention back up to the shoulders again. And this time we're going to be moving up the neck and into the head. So taking the front of the neck first, the area of the throat. What's here? What's here to be noticed? The contact of the air with the skin of your neck, deeper sensations coming from inside, sensations from the throat area perhaps, and moving around to the back of the neck. Perhaps there's sensations of muscle or hair, temperature. And then letting the neck go and bringing the awareness up the back of the head, feeling the muscles in the scalp, maybe getting a sense of hair and temperature or contact with the air. Bringing the awareness over the top of the head, and then down over the face. So moving over the forehead, moving down past the eyes, onto the nose, the cheeks, down to the mouth, bringing the attention inside the mouth, awareness of teeth, tongue, gums, awareness of the temperature inside your mouth, and then coming back out of the mouth again and bringing the attention to the jaw. How is the jaw in this moment? Noticing what's there. And if you find there's tightness or tension in the jaw area, perhaps offering the body some ease by just dropping the jaw ever so slightly, relaxing the muscles in your face. Now widening the awareness from the top of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet. So taking in the whole body sitting here, and getting a sense of the sensations in the whole body. Perhaps noticing those areas of tension, where you're holding tension or constriction in the body, and also noticing the areas of ease. So having gone through all the different parts of the body, now we're taking the whole body, bringing the awareness to the whole body, and noticing what's ever there in this moment. And maybe getting a sense of the body sitting in the chair, and getting a sense of the aliveness of the body. Getting a sense of the length and weight of the body. A sense of the space that the body takes up. A sense of your positioning in the chair and your posture. And then leaving the body as a whole and the sensations in the body, and bringing the awareness back to the body sitting in the chair and the contact points that the body is making with the chair. So the buttocks and the back of the legs, getting a sense of the chair holding you and supporting you, and bringing the awareness down to the feet and becoming aware of the contact points of the feet with the floor. And noticing those gravity points again, the ball of the foot and the heel. And getting a sense of being grounded, of being steadied, of being connected by gravity. And knowing that this sense of groundedness and this sense of being grounded in the body is available to you at any time.